Oh boy. It's thinking. It's thinking. All right, what do we have here? Nuno Maduro is a software engineer and open source contributor from Portugal. Once I have the answer, what can we use, TJ Miller, to literally print it like beautifully on the console? Do you have an idea what I could use here?
There's two traits that we want to add to the chat class. One is colors, and the other is draws boxes.
Okay, so I just type use, and the first one you said is colors. Okay, done. Just imported. What is the second one?
It's draws boxes.
Where this stuff is coming from? Is this like Laravel prompts? It is.
It's called this box. The second one, we're going to pass the answer, but we're going to put that inside of the word wrap method. So this way we can, make sure it fits inside the box correctly.
Right. Okay. Then magenta. Okay.
Because right now I think it like defaults to gray.
Gotcha.
Yeah, exactly.
Gotcha. All right. This should be it, no? What do you think about Laravel? And we did got an answer, and actually the word wrap actually works very good. That was a good idea, man. And I feel like, TJ, if I were to basically put this within a while true, potentially I have literally a answer chat thing, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep, that's the next thing I would do is do like a while true, and then you can wrap up the whole like message system, and now we'll be able to go back and forth and like have an actual conversation.
Just call this chat within the while true, then that's it. Run pitch pattern chat. Hi, I'm gonna say hi to ChatGPT. It will ask me back. The second message I'm gonna send, he doesn't know the context of the previous interactions. What
exactly?
What do you feel that what I should do here though to kind of preserve this state?
So perfect. So what I would do is outside of the while loop, we can define a collection.
Okay.
That is like a messages collection. So outside the while loop, we'll want to have our Prism factory, and we'll want to have like a messages collection. Okay. So we'll want to pass so the chat method will pass in the Prism the Prism instance, and then we can pass in the messages collection.
Yeah.
Yep. So we should push to the messages collection. What we'll push there is a new user message, and user message is a class that I provide as part of Prism.
Way. Serious? Let's see. User message. Nice. Okay, so
someone in chat made a good point about using the collection. So instead of passing in the messages collection and then like returning another messages collection, we could either pass the instance in with the like ampersand symbol so that we're like using the same instance in memory, or we could push that messages collection to a class variable. And that's maybe the way to go is like, instead of passing that in, we just put it on the class, like the command class, make it nice and easy.
Yeah. Okay, there we go. And finally, the last step here would be, instead of providing the messages all over the place, I'm gonna just access the message just by doing this, messages, and then I can push something into the collection array. That was a good idea, by the way. So that being done, I feel I can use the Prism value object, call it user message, right? And that's it.
And that's it. And then next thing we're going to need to do, and actually we can get rid of the with prompt method because we're going to use messages now.
Okay, so I would just chain messages or with messages.
So,
okay, 1 second here. There we go. Okay. So I have this with messages. Is that a one?
Yep, we're going to do with messages, and then we'll push in this messages to array because it'll take an array of messages.
Gotcha. Okay, so I'm gonna just cast it to an array like this. All right, it should be it. And after, should I just still give the with prompt, or you don't think it's needed?
Nope, we won't need it because basically like with prompt is a single user message, but now we're going to use a whole bunch of different messages. So now it has like context to everything. So it's kind of an either or. You either use the with prompt or you use the messages. What we're going to want to do is also, once we have the response, we're going to want to add the responding messages to that messages collection as well. This messages merge, and then we can pass in answer and then the response messages property. instead of doing answer
Oh,
text.
okay.
But then when we go to merge in the collection, we'll say answer response messages property.
Response messages property. Gotcha.
So I'd imagine we'd have something after the merge because we
Yeah.
called generate on the answer.
Let me try this real quick.
Oh yeah, we have to update because merge returns a new collection. So we need to like reassign the this messages to the merged collection.
Yeah, that was it basically. Is that it? So if I just do it now, I can have a conversation. Let's see.
Well, we're gonna have to update on line 73 for word wrap. We're gonna have to then add in for answer. We're gonna have to do like answer, then the text property.
What do you feel now? Are you ready to demo this?
Yeah, let's try it out.
Okay, Chad. So the answer back is, hello, how can I assist you today? My name is Nuno. So I'm gonna give him like some context, you know? The answer back was, hi Nuno, it's nice to meet you. How can I help you today? I'm gonna ask them, what is my name? And the answer is, your name is Nuno. Wow, that was awesome, man.
There we go, man.
This is unbelievably awesome.